How to brand your videos. Personalize your videos with logo and brand colors. Video branding is key if you want to succeed with your video marketing efforts. Video branding refers to the creation of video content that reflects your company's values. With video branding, you can speak about topics that inform, educate, and entertain people without directly selling them anything. A video with a logo creates new brand impressions every time someone watches your content. A video with brand color furthers these impressions and creates a psychological and emotional response in the viewer. Making sure that you personalize your videos with logos and brand colors for any of your branded content is essential. Pictory is the perfect tool to use when you want to add a logo to your videos. Click the Branding tab and select the function that enables both your intro and outro. From here, click the Upload Logo function and upload your file. Make sure that the logo is large enough to be visible, while not distracting from the video content. Place it in a corner of the video, and choose the right amount of transparency. You can add your brand colors by clicking the Color Palette section of the My Templates tab, and change your colors accordingly. With Pictory, you can change the quality of your video by adjusting the resolution to HD. You can customize your fonts and backgrounds so that they fit the tone and theme of your brand. You can also include branded intros and outros to grow your familiarity and build on your brand identity. Make sure that your transitions are consistent, along with your audio choices and settings. Video branding helps you build awareness and establish an identity with your customers. Companies can leverage the tools offered by Pictory to create exciting and personalized branded videos.